Hello, and welcome to the Hello Genius Child app. In this short video, we'll show you how to get your child started on Hello Genius and illustrate some of the key features and fun things they can do to learn, and how you will begin to learn about them, becoming a supporter and a partner to them every day, and not missing a beat when it comes to learning about their activities and helping excite their curiosity and creativity. So let's start by having a look at the different kinds of content your child can begin to explore using these icons along the top of the screen. To get us going, we have the video content icon. Here, your child can safely access thousands of videos on thousands of subjects. The AI engine will learn about your child as they explore and begin to tailor content towards their own unique interests. The same applies to the books and photographic content icons. Just like with the video content, your child will be able to safely explore thousands of titles and images on thousands of subjects. The AI engine will also begin to tailor these experiences, allowing your child to go deeper on the subjects that most interest them, yet never closing the door on other possible learning adventures and always encouraging your child to explore the path of curiosity. The next icon can be used to switch the view of the content between grid view and list view. This function can be used on any page at any time. Your search results won't change, so don't worry about losing that video, book, or photograph you were just looking at. So let's get back to the homepage icon down here in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. It's worth noting that every time your child presses on this home icon, the suggested content on the homepage will refresh with even more videos, books, and photographs for your child to love and learn. Let's come back to the top of the screen over here and have a look at how your child can explore the world of Hello Genius. There's two ways that they can search. First, by using their voice and speaking into the microphone when prompted. From there, your child can begin exploring. Your child can also search for their desired subjects by typing, using the keyboard function just here. The beauty of Hello Genius lies within its understanding that your child's natural desire to explore must be fulfilled. This is shown through this example of a typical learning journey using the platform. Your child could start out with a keen interest in soccer, and then find out that they really love sports overall. So they want to learn more about sports, which leads them to scuba diving. Now they're in love with the ocean, coral, and the tropical reefs of the world. Each child's journey will be unique. Every day, together, you have the ability to explore their minds as they explore the world. Now, let's have a look at some of the cool and useful features that your child will be able to use when viewing a piece of content. Your child has the ability to interact with the AI, asking it to tell them exactly what they're looking at in a video, book, or photograph. Your child can also find out more about a piece of content using the eye icon. Here, your child would be able to scroll through different subjects within the content that they are looking at. This is how your child's unique learning journeys will begin to flourish. To find out more about a singular subject, your child can select its name and press the subject's personal, more like this icon, here. To find out more about a collection of subjects, your child can press the purple, more like this icon in the sub-icon menu at the bottom of the screen. This feature will always be available no matter what they are searching for. As your child explores, they will not only be able to like content, but also share it with you using each content share icon here. You will then be able to see what they have shared with you from your parent device, right here. So now, let's move to the icons along the lower portion of the screen. We've already familiarized ourselves with the home icon. The next icon we have is the history icon. Here, your child will be able to go back and find any past content that they have viewed. They will not need to have liked or shared the content in order for it to be viewable in their history. Remember that you can change the view from grid to list on any icon tab, including history, by touching the view icon right here. As you know, Hello Genius exists so that you and your child can learn, grow, and develop a deeper partnership together. An integral part to this relationship is your ability to suggest content and ideas to your child. The next icon that we have to explore is the Parent Suggestions icon. Here, your child will be able to see any form of content that you have suggested to help them on their learning journey. You will be able to share content via the Parent app on your Apple or Android smartphone or tablet. It's always great when our kids like something, so next we're going to have a look at the liked icon here. When they search for more content on their unique learning journeys, they can keep liking videos, books, and photographs to their heart's content. It will always appear right here. As we said before, should they wish, your child will be able to share content with you and others by using the share icon, which appears when a piece of content is selected. The shared icon will show your child their history of shared content. At Hello Genius, we know how important it is for you and your child to stay connected, no matter where you are in the world. That's why we decided to make one of our key features the ability to make and receive audio and video calls between any parent and child device with Wi-Fi or a data package, meaning that the excitement of discovery never has to wait, and you're always right there for each other at every moment. Our video functionalities mean that if necessary, you and your child have the ability to flip the camera and turn the camera and microphone on or off. Our final and perhaps most exciting feature is the Snap and Learn feature, represented by the camera icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. With this feature, your child will be able to explore the world that they are living in, capturing videos and photographs to be analyzed by our AI engine. Your child will be able to find out more about what has been captured in the same way that they are able to when exploring our videos, books, and photographs icons. They can also share their own videos and photographs with you and others too. That's it. We hope you enjoyed this short, informative video on your first hour with Hello Genius. Get out there, have fun, and begin the wonderful partnership of learning that Hello Genius wants you to experience.